How to remove account from Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove your account from Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to remove your account from Windows 11, all you have to do is first of all simply go ahead and click on the start menu and then open up settings. Once you open up settings on your Windows, on the left hand side you simply want to go to this option where it says account. When you go to account, you'll be able to see the current account that you've added, and if you've added one or more accounts and you want to remove them, it is very simple. You want to simply go to account settings and go to emails and accounts that you can find here. And if you have more than one or two accounts, you can just click on the drop down menu right next to it and then click on the remove option to remove the specific account. If you've not yet added an account, you can click on the add account option here, and then you should be able to add a new account respectively in this case. Otherwise, you can just select the existing account and then just go ahead and remove them respectively. This way you can go ahead and then remove your account on Windows 11. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.